Yo, what's up, everybody? This is day 31, trading New York session open until we become profitable. Today, I believe we're going to be looking for some longs. So we ended up retracing from Friday, filling this big ass fair value gap. We filled this zone, and then I guess I'm waiting for breaker structure back to the upside, but we did make a higher high here. We closed above this candle close. So that is a sign of reversal. So I'm going to start looking for longs, and then on the 5-minute here we are on a bit of an uptrend as well, except for we had a 5-minute break of structure to the downside here. So I'm going to see if either we make a play off of this and continue to keep pushing down, and then maybe I can look for a fair value gap that's created here, play off of that, get a short, or this is just a fake out and we're going to come back up and make a higher high. But I don't know yet. I'm just kind of letting the market do what it wants to do, make a move, set something up, and then I'll react off that. But yeah, not really sure what my bias is today. I mean, like 1 hour and 4 hour, we were on a downtrend, but it's just because we were retracing to fill that gap that we made on Friday. Not so sure what we're going to do yet. Again, like I said, I'm just going to wait for the market to make its move and then play off that. Alright, so I'm just looking here. I keep looking and looking and looking and looking, like seeing, like, is there something I missed? Is there something I could have gotten? And as you can see, we're kind of just consolidating right now. But if you look back here, we had that break of structure right here on the 5-minute, right? Okay, there's nothing else on the 5-minute, no more confluences. But then if you drop down to the 1-minute, we had that break of structure, had this break of structure. After that break of structure, we created a fair value gap, a bearish one, which we came down, respected this, and then closed back above it. And then we got another break of structure back to the downside. So I guess realistically, if I really wanted to enter today, this would have been my trade. I would have liked to see this set up on the 5-minute, break of structure, fair value gap, respect that level, and then another break of structure back to the downside after respecting the fair value gap. That's what I would have looked for on the 5-minute. Didn't get that. But that's where I would have entered, was right here, right? Theoretically. Put my stop loss probably, I don't know. I'm guessing I would have probably put it above this high right here. And then I would have targeted, damn, that's low-key pretty far down there. I was going to target London's low today, but I guess I could have targeted this low over here. This low right here. That's more of a target. Closer target, realistic target. Yeah, that would have been my trade, but I don't trade on the 1-minute really. I use it for confluences, but I don't like trade on the 1-minute, you know what I mean? And we're kind of consolidating now too. We've rejected this low right here 3 different times. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna trade today. Again, I'm gonna wait, I'm gonna be patient, but this was the trade I would have taken, and I guess we'll see if it hits or not, but who knows. All right, y'all. That was a quick day. We absolutely got nothing, bro. Absolutely got nothing. Like, I was gonna wait a little bit longer than this and see if we made a move, but even then, even if we made a move, bro, there's nothing previous. Like, we just had shitty ass price action ever since New York opened. So yeah, I'm gonna stay out today. Just save my money. It's not worth it. But yeah, I guess that's all, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 32. This is day 31, right? Yeah, pretty sure I said that. But yeah, this was day 31. See you guys tomorrow for day 32. Hopefully we get something better. Doses.